Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video. I alternate Fabricate Fridays and Fun Fold Fridays just because, you know, I'm trying to cover the whole amount of global subscribers. This is a really cute little box. I thought that you know, it might be nice to have little treats in here, or it could be little wedding gifts, or it could be a lovely birthday surprise. You can stuff a ticket or some cash or a tennis bracelet or something. I don't know. How fun. I like the size. So, and it's like half a sheet of cardstock. So I am happy to share with you how to put this lovely little box together. If you're interested, you can swap out the colorway, you can swap out even the decorations, you can do whatever you want to do, but hey, I'm giving you a chance. Follow me. We're gonna get started. Okay, we have a piece of Calypso Coral cardstock that is 5.5 and by 7.5. So on the short side, I'm going to score at 1 inch. And then 2.5 inches. 3.5. And last one, 5. Okay, so now we're going to turn it around, doesn't matter which way, and we're going to score at 1/2. One and a half. Six. I have to open my arm up here, and I'm going to go to 7. Okay, folding and burnishing. It's an easy one. There's a 1/2 inch and then there's an inch. This 1/2 inch fold here, this is going to be our top. So I'm going to remove this square here and this rectangle, but I'm going to go all the way down. And I'm going to cut this whole corner off. So this is going to be our lid. And then we're just going to cut up on the sides. It's easy, I tell you. We're going to cut up on these sides, and we're going to remove the small sides. So these guys, we're going to remove this little tab here and this little tab, and then we're going to wedge these guys. Okay, same with this side. Very easy, straight down. Take that big piece away, and then here, wedge out, wedge out. Take this little guy out, wedge out, wedge out. Okay, that is the final. It's really simple. So now we're going to get our adhesive here. There we go. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to put adhesive on my tabs. Easy. And then on this side right here, I'm going to put adhesive just along that little flap. Okie dokie, so we're going to put this together. I'm laying it flat on my table. I'm going to bring this side up, and we are going to put the folded edge to that free edge And we're going to do the same here. Folded edge to the free edge. There we go. And then we're going to fold this in so it makes a nice seam. So let's do it again. Folded, we're going to bring that folded edge up to the free edge, press down, folded edge up to the free edge, press down, fold over, and then the lid just goes in. Ta-da! I'm going to wedge out this little bit just slightly so that it opens and closes just a little bit easier. All right, there it is. That's the box. So we need the top piece. This is actually from Lovely and Beautiful, the paper. This happens to be 1 1¼ inches by 4 1/4. You don't have to write anything down. I do have everything on my blog. There's a direct link to my blog in the description box below. This is another colorway of Lovely and Beautiful. And you need 2 pieces, 3 1/4 inches tall, 4 1/4 inches wide. Here's my second piece. Voila. And then we're going to do 2 more pieces. These are the side pieces, 3 1/4 by 1 1/4. And there is the box. Really cute. I'm going to use Secret C. This is my favorite new black. It's not as black as black, but it's darker than gray. Does that make sense? I'm using the Exciting Times stamp set. Happy birthday to you. I don't know. It would be nice to get a little something something. And or put a little something something in here for somebody. Let's see, I have a little scissor here, and yeah, I'm just gonna cut the edge a little bit off, and then I'm gonna do a banner. When was the last time I did a banner? Nobody knows. Fishtail, whatever. There, you see me do it now. All right. Most of the banners I like them curved like this. Call me crazy. It's blowing in the wind. All right. Oh my goodness. I'm in such a good mood. Okay. I am happy. So I'm putting 2 dimensionals on the back. And then I am putting my Seal Plus. So 2 dimensionals here to create that hump. And then I'm just gonna zoink it right there. And that is a technical term, to zoink. Okay. Oh. Fridays are fun. Okay, well, there we are. This is my box for today. I will leave a link to all the information you need on my blog post. It's underneath the video. There's a link and it'll say, I don't know, something like cutting directions or whatever. Go there. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I will be back on Monday. Have yourself a great weekend, and I will see you then. Bye for now.